Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to simply plan your day with Sunsama app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to plan your day with Sunsama app, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open Sunsama website, and first of all create your account from Sunsama website. Once you've created your account through your Sunsama website, you can simply download the app itself and get signed in into your account. Now, to simply plan your day with Sunsama, you need to simply use the guided daily planning ritual to review your accomplishment. Once you have reviewed your accomplishments, you can simply set daily priorities and schedule tasks on your calendar by dragging and dropping them. You can start the process manually by pressing P or set it to start automatically at a specific time each day. The app then integrates with your calendar and other project management tool and helps you realistically estimate your time for each task. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.